I'm brave, gonna speak my mind. Oh, oh, real. Make a change one day at a time. Oh, oh, real. If you're going to change the world, you better start with an opinion. Going to change the world, we better start now. First choose a side. Do you prefer vanilla or chocolate ice cream better? When's your favorite time to play outside? Summer, spring, fall, or winter? An opinion is a belief or a point of view. It's a feeling, which is a perspective unique to you. I'm brave, gonna speak my mind. But oh, oh, real. Make a change one day at a time. But oh, oh, real. If you're going to change the world, you better start with an opinion. Going to change the world, we better start now. Oh, real. O stands for an opinion. Oh, real. It's the first thing you need to write. Oh, real. R represents your reasons. Oh, real. Your feelings, beliefs, why do you think you're right? Oh, real. E stands for evidence. Oh, real. Which are facts that support how you feel. Oh, real. Oh, finally restate your opinion. Oh, real. Now it's ready to dive into this world of milk. I'm brave, gonna speak my mind. But oh, oh, real. Make a change one day at a time. But oh, oh, real. If you're going to change the world, you better start with an opinion. Going to change the world, we better start now.
Always for opinion, better state this first. How do you feel, believe, or think about the subject's worth? Follow that thought with the R, it stands for reasons, you see. You've gotta write down what you think, the thought you thunk that you think. Now your reasons for why need to be supported with facts. What the E stands for, it's your proof, your evidence. Without evidence, you won't really have a strong case. The last O's for opinion, which you'll need to restate. Get your head right, put your O up. Put your O up. Put
I'm
your
brave,
O
gonna
up.
speak my mind.